Hi students, welcome to week 2 already, right? On the left hand side you will see week 2 right here, and you press on it and you have the schedule. We have an exercise here, and don't worry about the 250 words in the discussion, but you're going to make 1 through 10 this week, 1 through 10, and just describe basic directions in something, right? Basic directions. And step 1 talks about the difference between sort of academic and business writing is this tech writing is simple, it's directions, it's clear communication to your audience, and so you can make up anything you want, but you have to number it 1 through 10 and be clear on step-by-step directions. Last semester, some people said making eggs, some people said putting on finger polish, nail polish, other people said throwing a curveball. So 10 steps to whatever you want. And my example here is peeling and eating an orange. So you'll post this on Wednesday, and then you'll get 2 responses from others, hopefully. And you respond to other posts, and you can respond to more. And then if you want to do yours over from the original after you get notes, then you can, and post it here for Sunday under the same thread. So it would be like a practice draft, and then you get responses from people, then you give 2 responses, and then on Sunday you do another thread with the final, and I'll see the dates on which one, so I'll know which one was the redo. If you're perfectly happy with the other one, then that's fine too. So that's a discussion. The other is a quiz on chapter 1, which you do not see in here, but you will see in my vote and base. Let me just get off the student preview. You'll see that on my week 2, it has quiz on chapter 1 right here. This is going to open Wednesday morning and stay open until Sunday, right? So there you'll see in the same place as chapter 2, you'll see this quiz, right? It's hidden from you until Wednesday morning. So that's what we do Sunday. The discussion closes on Sunday. Remember, the quiz, once you start taking it, you have 2 hours to finish it. So read chapter 1 in our text, right? And again, you can find the important information in the textbook here, right? And you read chapter 1, which is professional communications, texting, email, etiquette, memorandums, and letters, and then you'll be quizzed on that. And remember, when you're taking the quiz, you can always go back and click on that anyway, right? So good luck. Let me know if you need anything. And week 2, we're plowing into directions, simple language, and a quiz on the reading.